Hi, so my name is Saptarshi and I've been coming here for the last 2-3 years now, and I've been actively attending the Anukri session on Wednesday nights that Rusty and Tricia do, and attending it for so many times, one word to describe Anukri healing, I would use magic. It literally is magic. Is any other healing modality that I have experienced or received, it never has so effectively and in such a short time as actually healed, not just the symptoms, but the root cause of the pain. And the way this healing works is there's always an emotional component to the physical pain that a person is feeling. And it literally goes in and clears it from the root itself. And that's what makes it so special, and also the speed at which it works. It's phenomenally fast. I have seen people with phobias for their entire lifetime just cleared within minutes of, during the healing session. Or people with physical pains they have been having for decades just gone within a few minutes. So this is an energy technology that is just a game changer in terms of energetic healing. So I would definitely recommend anyone and everyone who can get a chance definitely experience this Anukri healing energy. Thank you.